At Renegade Products, we manufacture 55-gallon drums and 275-gallon totes of cleaning products. We make everything in the home care cleaning sector to the car care cleaning sector. So we make degreasers, all-purpose cleaners, laundry detergents, car shampoo, hand soap, things of this nature. You can find all of the products that we offer on our website, carcareprivatelabel.com or renegadeprivatelabel.com. We have pricing there. You can order everything in 16-ounce samples as well if you want to try it before you order the drums. And then another thing I did want to mention that's cool that we do is free of charge. We allow you to choose your own scent and your own color. I have tons of different scents for you to choose from, probably over 20 to 30 different scents. I have luxury scents. I have more generic scents like Hawaii Breeze, Pina Colada, New Car, etc. Then when it comes to colors, you can choose things like blue, green, orange, yellow, black, clear, white, things like this. It totally depends on the formula, which will determine what certain colors are available in some cases. And then also certain products like glass cleaner, degreaser, and all-purpose cleaner just do not, chemistry-wise, take a scent. So you cannot choose a scent on those particular products, but you can choose a color on everything. So if you want, reach out to me at Garrett@renegadeproductsusa.com for more specifics on customizations on products. But again, free of charge on drum orders. We do let you choose your own scent and color. Reach out to me. I will build an invoice for you custom with the proper scent and the proper color built into the item. I'll send you the invoice with the shipping on there. Then you can make your decision on private labeling from there. For us, we get people that order drums for if you're a car wash, if you're somebody that's wants to order a drum, that way you can bottle yourself. Or for tons of other reasons, if you just want to sell for e-commerce reasons or to use in your detail shop, we manufacture drums and 5-gallon pails specifically for these large volume use cases. So reach out to me and I would be happy to get you additional pricing for items that are maybe more specialty that you don't see on the website. And that's pretty much it as far as drums and 5-gallon pails. So thank you so much and look forward to hearing from you.